Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is the last day at the MALLE Festival, and today's more of a chill out day. Like, we're not racing because we didn't get through, because we blame it completely on the tyres and think about our abilities or being overweight at all in any way. But we're going to go and do the scramble, like the final thing around the grounds today, and it's more scenic. Check out a little bit of the racing before we head home. But we're all a little bit knackered, but we've had an unbelievable time. Anyway, the last time around the grounds of this amazing place.
Here we go, mate, our last scramble.
Yeah, there's quite a few here. I'm surprised everybody's managed to drag themselves up out of bed this morning for this.
Exactly that.
It's going to be good.
It's going to be good. Last one around the grounds, then we have to go back to a peasant's lifestyle. Let's have a giggle. Yeah. It's a beautiful thing, isn't it?
Look at all these motorcycles.
Motorcycles, baby.
Yeah, baby.
'Cause baby,
we're motorcycling.
What's been your favourite part?
I don't know. Not really had time to reflect on it yet. It's just a whole great all-round experience, I think, to be honest.
What about winning a race?
Yeah, obviously winning races is always good.
What a beautiful day. It's a monkey bike on a monkey adventure. Have you learned to say what?
What, old boy?
What?
There's not many places you can come and do something like this, is there?
I think that's it, innit? That's the thing. That's the beauty of this place. It's almost, I wouldn't say it's undiscovered, because obviously there's a few thousand people here, but it's still yet to hit the big time, isn't it, for what you can do?
Yeah, but I think as long as it stays like this, the better it is, because the bigger it gets, obviously the more rules they're going to have to put into place and all the rest of it. So
yeah, I mean, there is rules completely. They've given rules out, but they can't enforce them, so nobody's actually following them. Let's be honest.
There is rules, but nobody follows any of them, let's be honest.
Yeah, exactly that. No one's following, but everyone's still here, aren't they?
Yeah. You kind of come here and you take the risks that you take and you accept it for what it is. And it's a good fun.
Bit of gravel, mate. Bit of gravel.
Squirming here.
Yeah, I am. As we ride across the cornfields, and they've got the beautiful trees. This is one of those moments, isn't it, where we wish we had the drone behind us with all the smoke pouring out, looking uber sexy. I mean, that happens a lot. Just stand up, Alan, on the pegs. That's what it's all about, big boy. Nah, I'm too fat now. I need to sit down and go and have a break. That was too emotional for too long. Riding into a whole cloud of smoke, like being on clouds.
Yeah, like being in a fog.
Classic bikes next to me and overtaking me, and just lapping in every second of amazement.
Just a variety of bikes here, isn't there?
Oh, it's unreal, isn't it? We've got proper old classics, we've got massive sports bikes where people have just stuck some knobblies on, we've got Harley Davidsons, cruisers, obviously, you know what I mean? It's just great. We've all come together for some massive, big kind of special moment, just for the love of the two wheels. Now, next year, what bike will you bring next year? I want to bring two, so I want to bring this, and I want to bring, if I can get the money together, potentially my custom scrambler.
Yeah, I don't know. It will be probably this and maybe something else, some other piece of rubbish that I buy and do something stupid with.
I could see you buying something like a, I don't know, whoa, like a Blackbird or something. Something silly, do you know what I mean? Or like a Fireblade and sticking some wheels on it.
Yeah, quite fancy that. Stripping
it off. Is that just you? That's just you. Just you. Just special. You got to do it again now. How's it going? They run out of free coffee. Please, can I have the blue one? Thank you very much. Best thing about coming to a posh rally, you get iced coffee when you stop after 5 minutes. Life is good. Life is very good. Right, we're going to sit here, listen to music because I have to turn this off because of copyright. Enjoy a coffee and then go for a little bit more of a booble around the grounds like posh boys. Talk away, Johnny Hill. Right, dude, this is cool. We've had a bit of iced coffee because we're posh. Now we're going to do the last spin, the last ride of the scramble, dude. And I'm just going to enjoy this. This is cool, mate, innit? Now we're cool, like ultra cool. I might even shave my hairy chest.
Is that what cool people do, is it?
No, I like a bit of hair. Yeah, they shave all over because they're cool. And they gel their hair back. Only you. It's the dust. Yeah, baby. This is what it's all about, mate.
Living the dream. Yeah, just winding this guy up near me.
Power up. Go on, little monkey.
Little Vespa's squirreling about. I'm trying to get traction on this gravel.
No, mine's all over the shot. It's like fucking floating everywhere.
Whoa, whoa! Got a wobble on there.
Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's enjoy the blast. Woo! Over the bridge. Take the bend. Let's go. Turn of the throttle. And that feeling in your bones. Something seriously special. Pure and utter freedom rush and joy.
Come on, Vespa. Let's go. On it.
Oh, fuck it. Here we go. Yes, baby. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
See if we can do this one. He's just been embarrassed, overtaken by a Vespa on your Triumph Scrambler.
Well, we had an absolute blast on the scramble, and now we're just going to go down. We're going to probably grab a drink, check out what's going on, maybe watch the final race, and our last kind of walk around like the MALLE Palladium kind of thing. The sidekick's bike is broken again, but he's sure he can fix it in a few seconds, unlike the monkey that continues to run 100% of the time. Anyway, let's go down there once he's sorted that. Go and grab a drink and just do our little final walk around and check out and watch a few races and just chill, because that's what we've got to do today before we pack up and call it a day. I'm going to miss this. This has been an absolute blast. So I think to finish off, we should be posh one last time, buy the most overpriced latte in the world and go and watch the last of the racing.
You're paying?
Yeah, absolutely. I've left my wallet at home. Let's go. Well, that was the MALLE Festival, and do you know what? It's time for us to pack up now, but I've had a fantastic time, from seeing all of the crazy bands at night to racing on the monkey bike and just having the free-for-all to go bombing around these castle grounds. Bikes are continuously still going by. It's amazing. But it's time to pack up. That's a sad thing, but I've enjoyed doing this, and next year I'll definitely come back. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you in the next crazy Helmet Hood adventure. Bye-bye for now.